Hi everyone, welcome to our channel trafinhealducate, where we focus on bringing your more educational content for you along with travel blogging. So thanks for watching today's video. And today is just an extension of our previous discussion, right? If you have gone through our uh, technology and education playlist previously, we launched a video on uh, Google anti-gravity, and today we will see the basic usage of Cursor AI. So Cursor AI is a tool similar to anti-gravity, but it's there in the market for quite some time, and it's being recognized as a very go-to integrated development environment, or you can call it as an IDE, where you can code based on AI, and you can take leverage of the agentic AI technologies. And this is preferred when you have an AI native development, you want to adopt, or you want to reinvent your software engineering wheels. Without much ado, let's jump to the Cursor IDE. So here, what I am sharing is a Cursor. When you download Cursor and you open it, it looks pretty much similar to VS Code, right? Because it is forked from VS Code, and so you don't need to learn it from scratch. If you're already working on VS Code, then this is very easy for you to navigate and locate the options. So what we'll focus in today's is, like, on the left hand side you can see, like, I have actually opened up the code base which I already had on my local. So on the right hand side you can see it like a new agent, right? So an agent, as you all know, right, it can go ahead and do the tasks for you, but it will break down your complex task and it will simplify it, right? So when I'm clicking on new agent option, there I'm getting agent option, plan, debug, and ask, right? So let me go ahead and maybe run it in ask mode. Okay, first we will see. And I can see, like, there is a lot of models are already available for to be used, right? So you can use the model of your choice, and you can add models of your choice, and you can also import your GitHub code, and you can what I have selected ask options, right? So I will just ask a question: can you explain the code in agent.py file, right? And let's hit enter. Let's see what it is doing, right? So it is saying that planning the next moves, and then it is changing the headline itself to agent.py code explanation. And then see, it clearly and nicely went through the code, and it is actually explaining me, right? So it is telling that the what is thought, what is action, what is an observation, what is the feedback, right? So this is a basic use. If you are given a code base to analyze and come up with your understanding, so now I will go ahead and change the mode to plan. Okay, so then I will go ahead, and this is more like if you are planning for a project, right? So I am trying to build a UI for trading. Can you help design the same? Okay, so let me go ahead and fire. So the plan mode, as the term itself tells, right? So it will go ahead and plan the things for us. This is more useful if you have a team lead, if you are a team lead, or if you are a manager, and you want to plan the next set of projects, or you already have a list of tasks that needs to be achieved, but you are not the developer, right? So you can just download the code base, and you can go ask questions. Or if you are planning to build a new UI, then you have to ask the right set of questions, right? Then this is a very good feature. It will go ahead and find out all the possible questions, it will ask you the questions, and you can select, right? See, it is asking multiple questions: what functionalities, what kind of trading you are doing. So it will so I selected even the choice technology stack, also React, right? So I went ahead, and you can go ahead and you select, and then when you go ahead and select everything, right? So it is just building me a clear plan, right? How I can go ahead and implement it, how the layout should look like, and what all files I need to create, right? So this is on a high level. If you are an architect, you are a project manager, if you are a tech lead, and you are trying to help your team technically and get your things bootstrapped, then this is a very good feature that you can leverage, right? So I hope this. So now we will go to the agent mode, right? So agent mode is, it can do multiple things for you, right? So I will go ahead and ask a question like, I am trying to build a simple UI application using React JS and Node JS. Can you create the boilerplate code for me? So boilerplate code is nothing but the base on which you can start, right? So let us go ahead and ask it. It will go ahead and create everything for us, right? As it is saying that planning the next move, and then it is actually, and it actually broke down your requirement into multiple uh, questions, as you can see, right? Create client server directory, generate React project, then create a basic Node.js expression, and then create a read file. So like an agent, it went ahead and broke down everything into step by step, and then it is taking your permission, right? If you select ask every time. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel. And on our channel, trafinhealducate, there is a technology and education playlist, and here I am uploading very basic videos on technology. If you are trying to adopt to AI technologies and you want to understand the basic uses, then it is going to be helpful for you. And I hope you subscribe and support